Traffic Control Police SP Arambam Pramesh asserted that road accidents will continue to occur until the public obey traffic rules instead of just paying fines. The statement was made during the opening program of 7-day exhibition cum awareness on road safety program jointly organized by People for Political Rights and Responsibility Manipur PPRM and Traffic Control Police Wing Manipur at Kangla Western Gate today. Speaking further, Arambam Pramesh highlighted that the amount of road accidents occurred during 2018 and 2023 has decreased according to data from Transport Department. However, some people might not be reporting their accidents. He added that the number of people using helmets has also increased, while urging the public to use their helmets instead of just carrying them around. He also stated that the traffic police had started drives against people using modified exhaust pipes as it annoys people and causes noise pollution.
Main driver to the cannot supply time. Helmet to say pillion riders we have the time. Accident over the Kanana Tobano, Kanana to Manoyang way. Adanaina Mayamda, Butos road safety measures, but follow the Viva Chapada. The musical size of Torisa Kanama Mangani, Kanama Mangs the lady was a traffic points in the lady was a zebra crossing upon my home, Zinam upon home. Zebra crossing in Matachida comes and back. Otherwise, Kampuno Sudum Sanganadum cannot be Aisam Sudum Tenamatum the Pundaraga, Sida Topicanum City pedestrian Lambila Lapada, Sita Moina Landa when he has Setum Hise. And a Sigi can consider opportunity in a few thousand in Mosu, zebra crossing the Pagari considered from the Topicanum.
Meanwhile, speaking at the program, PPRM Chief Media Advisor Salam Ranjan highlighted that some of the casualties of road accidents were due to people disobeying traffic laws. He added that the program was organized to spread awareness about traffic laws to the public for road safety. He further stated that the traffic laws are broken by mostly underage teenagers and sometimes the Central Security Forces. The program was also attended by MSPDCL General Manager Angom Priyoranjan and PPRM Medical Head Sanasam Jupiter.